Hi, and welcome to the DeVonna Home Show. This is my new listing I'm showcasing today at 1403 Welburn Avenue here in Gilroy, California. I'm excited to show you around. It's 3,065 square feet on a 22,000 square foot lot. Beautiful, spectacular renovations with modern finishes. It has a sparkling blue pool and lots of things to see here. So let's come on in and take a look around. The list price is $1,449,900 of spectacular house. Hey, thanks for coming by the DeVonna Home Show. This is 1403 Welburn Avenue here in Gilroy, California. This property is close to everything Gilroy, downtown, entertainment, and shopping and freeways. The list price is $1,449,900. And if you'd like a personal tour, feel free to reach out to me. You can DM me, and I look forward to talking to you and seeing you at the next house.